YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and checking me out and seeing what's going on over here. Well, what's going on is TM Tuesday morning. Not a big haul, but they finally did get some more dyes and stuff in. They've been getting paper in for the last couple of weeks. I just haven't had a chance to take all the pictures of them, but they got a ton of the Brewery's alcohol inks, and yeah, mine are like 30 at the store. But these are the ones, I got one of each color set that they had. I do think I own two of these, or one, I don't know which colors, but I think I have two sets. So I just got one of each, and then whichever one's a duplicate I would take back. But they had like maybe like 6 or 7 of this one, 6 or 7 that one, so not all of them, but this was the only one. I think maybe one person come behind me could get another set, but everybody else would have to just get the random colors. So what do I have? These are the different sets, and so they're $5.99 for a 3-pack. This one is the orange, turquoise, and medium magenta. This one is yellow, marine blue, and red. And if you work with these before, let me know if you like them. Olive green, brown, and crimson. I know I don't have this one, but I was excited to find it. Slate, Mars black, and something fog. And this one is blush, rose, and looks like this is medium magenta too right here. So I think I might have a duplicate, which I don't know. If it says what it is on it. They both have medium. They look different though. So maybe it's not, I don't know. Yep, it's medium magenta. So be mindful of that if you're picking this up. But that one looks, this one open on the side. Yep, so that one's the only one that has a duplicate. It's the one with the orange on the top and the one with the blush. You will get the medium magentas, which is really weird because all the other ones are not duplicates. And this is rose, Kelly green, and something green. Is a lawn green or something? Ocean green. So, if you like these, let me know. I have some. I never really played with them, and I bought the little, the pins. They're kind of like these pins, not this one, but this is not the cute booting ones. But I have the Brewery's one where you put the ink in it, so I have to pull that one out. But anyway, I got one of each one of those. So let me see how they are. I may or may not keep all of them, but I did want to keep the black and maybe a couple of colors. But I think I have a metallic one. I think that's what I have. They had a whole bunch of dyes out. Momenta and Physics, and more Echo Park, and more Simple Stories, and I forgot what else it was. But these are just the 4 that I picked up. This is a 10-piece set. And this one is called Kitchen Set. And I don't believe I have this. This is Bunny and Bear Hugs, 5-piece set. I thought it might be cute to stick in your some rack or something to put some candy, so whatever you want to put in there, you know. That's more just for some abstract mixed media kind of, you know, on the paper that you want to do. And so this one is called Geometric Mask Set. So it has 2 of the geometric shapes actually have a cutout. So you can cut in the paper like an inlay or cut it out and lay on top of it. So those are the 5 dies there. And then the last die I got was a card, and this is a fold along. And this one is called, and this is about Jen Long, and it is Card Door Fold Along. And I like doors. I guess because I like architecture, like houses. And it comes with this wreath. So I just thought that was like way cool. And all those pieces. So it's 12 pieces. So yeah. But anyway, so that is my haul from Tuesday morning. Of course, you know, you could put the wreath on it and not on it. You could put that on the top. You can, just depends on how you want to layer it and decorate it up. But I love how it lays flat like that. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.